The one what it happen? It happen I say I be tell una Sunday for say so reme when a Cameroon man he marry some Nigerian man na married we jogging at the information no me say anything dey about that matter. What it happen na say Isa accuse the master say he don't climb for on top skin for pikin them. All pikin them you one wait 14 months. Now that they don't take the matter, they say the matter don't serious. The man say na lie. They never say na true. Argument start. Now you do am, you no do am, I do am, I no do am, I do am, I no do am. Who do am? No man, no one accept for my way do am. Now that he continue. He go reach your place now. Say may they continue the matter for the way the man fi go for Ngata. Ha, Papa God. As the thing happen so, it happen for where it happen. Now that. Hey, I say Paula Karamata Karabata. The woman talk say, I don't want to say my mother go for prison. I don't want them. My master not supposed to go for prison. That means say na shema. Whether mommy make am. I remember sometime. Tawe la piro the manga for blessed memory be go for United States for Buffalo. So news come out say la piro if you don't climb on top a pikin skin. E me mami with a pikin. I call la piro say no man no worry. A pikin for a corner. I go the pikin go talk himself. I call la piro he pass phone for a pikin. We talk for the interview. He say na lie. Say mami the judge jealous say na because say they carry car for this side. If it is na he go come, but they carry another other mami come. So na it happen. So the woman they accuse him massah say he don't rape the pikin them. Now because say some matter day. Now because say some problem day. Or they accuse him for something. Because na very serious accusation than that. To say your man, papa for a pikin, don't claim table for pikin them. So take 14 months old. The one na very bad news. Now the woman say me they not lucky massah. Plenty people they talk say no na you go decide. If they not go lucky massah, that means say ye self they go lucky. Yes, say ye they go lucky. That means say he know what he do am. He know what he na shema. If one surely made that man me enter for mamulungulungwete. The man no enter for the malamangulungwete. Now that he don't go reach to play with us and say the thing no begin wrong. He don't begin talk now say I don't want to send me the long my massah. I don't want to send me the long my massah. Oh, we follow the matter for now. Countryman. But it kind of matter. No matter where enter for a table. We will knock the door. We will take care for the matter. We will talk. We put gloves on our hand because man no, man no. Man no, yeah. Manipulation, if you come up for any order, any side, any kind of direction.